I'm back. First off, let me say thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, Like Mama's Catering. This is your boy, your homeboy, your chef, your friend, Chef Ring. On today's episode, I'm going to be cooking a seafood cheesesteak. Oh yeah, I said it. A seafood cheesesteak. I'm just going to show you some simple ingredients that we have here today. I have salmon, I have red onions, I have shrimp, I have broccoli, I got my rolls, got my seasonings, I got my cheese. This seafood cheesesteak doesn't consist of any meat, far as beef, chicken, none of those products. Straight seafood. See? I'm gonna take my salmon, no grease, no nothing, because I have this little copper board riddle. Put a little jerk seasoning on it. Again, giving y'all another plug. Pork barrel, citrus, and herb. I'm telling y'all, y'all gonna thank me later. You're gonna thank me now. As you see, I'm just chopping the salmon up like you'll do any type of cheese stick. Like I said before, there's no particular side you can cook it on. You know, I'm about building flavors. So we're gonna add some onions to the mix. I mean, I like onions in my cheese stick. And then purple onions, or some people say red onions. I wish I was here to smell this right now. Smell a tube. So you can actually smell this. Actually a nice big game changer. As you see, you still got chunks of salmon. I don't want to chop it up all crazy so it look like dog food or something like that. But I want you to see, I should still see what you still eating. Now I'm going to take my broccoli and I'm going to add it in. You can add the broccoli in when you're about, you can see the salmon almost cooking. So you're about 3/4 done. It's your discretion if you want to use a lot of broccoli, the whole bag. Some people use fresh broccoli and boil it off. I just use frozen. Because one, it's going to help it cook better because it contains water inside of it. So it's actually going to give me a steam and everything, and it's faster to cook. This is actually a nice recipe for people that's pescatarians, people who just not eating meat right now, and for people who really like salmon, or people who really like cheese stick and want to eat something different. Listen, don't knock it till you try it. I don't want to keep messing with it. Just let it cook. As you can see, my salmon is done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to separate them. I'm going to do 2 sandwiches. I'm going to throw my shrimp down. 2. Now, as you can see, I'm squaring the bread up, well, the seafood cheesesteak up. Got my shrimp over here cooking off the top, the cheese stick. Now, add some yum yum sauce. I'm gonna take the yum yum sauce and squirt it right over it. I told you I'm about building flavor. So we're gonna take whatever cheese that you like. It really doesn't matter. Any type of cheese. You're a provolone guy, American cheese type of guy. Even if you like cheese with it. Some people like cheese with it. Pick the cheese. You see that yum yum sauce all bubbling up over there. Take the cheese and just throw it over there. Don't be stingy with the cheese. It's only government cheese. Give it out. You see how it's bubbling and forming. Look at that. You can't tell me you don't like salmon and cheese and broccoli. Look at that cheese and broccoli. Who don't like cheese and broccoli? And what I'm going to do is, have you like your cheesesteak. You like it with mayo, ketchup, barbecue sauce, hot sauce. Me, I'm mayo, ketchup, heavy on the mayo. Type guy. A little catch-steamy on it. A little snatch up. Close that together. And we're going to see how that? We're going to take all this and we're going to scoop it. Oh man, look at that. Kaboom! Good. Boy, I tell you, I wish I had Smell-O-Tube. For those who don't know what Smell-O-Tube is, it's like when you can smell through YouTube. Yeah, Smell-O-Tube. Look at this. I ain't finished. Look at that. Pack that sucker in there. Look. Look at that. There's more room. Pack that sucker in there. Don't get scared. Grab it. And then look. Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4 shrimps. Griddle over. I'm at the best time of my episode. Taste the product. Again, before I even dig into this, bite into this, demolish this, I just want y'all to see the texture, the look of everything. You can't really tell. It looks like a cheesesteak. Like, besides it being the pink meat from the salmon color, you can't really tell that it's not a cheesesteak. And it has that same kind of texture. And guess what? It's healthier for you. So all my people that be like, oh, Reem, you don't never cook nothing healthy. Or you always cook all this fat and stuff. Or you always cook. Listen. Substitute the bread. If you don't eat the bread, and go with a wrap. Or take you some romaine lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and take all these components and put it on a salad. So now you got a salmon Philly cheesesteak salad. But enough with all the small talk. Let's get into this. Cut nice and easy. Look at that. Like, what's that stance they do in Philly? Got a hunch and lean over, the fat boy stance. Now listen. I don't mean talking my mouth open. Excuse me for being rude. But this is one of the best sandwiches I ever ate in my life. Let me tell you why. The bread is super soft. Broccoli and cheese are like one of my favorite things that go together. Everything complements each other. The yum yum sauce to the mayo and ketchup to the salmon to the red onions being cooked in there. Listen, you guys, this is the new way. Now, I'm sorry. I don't mean to cut this episode short, but remember, hit that subscribe button in your comment section. Put up a thumbs up. Don't get scared to comment in that comment section again. It's your Chef Reem. You can follow me at Like Mama's Catering. And I'm out.